In this video, I'm going to walk you through a brand new strategy for earning affiliate commissions on ClickBank using Pinterest. We're keeping it super simple with 3 tools. The first one is a site called SortPin. It basically shows you the pins that are already blowing up with traffic, so you know exactly what's working right now. The second tool is Nano Banana, and this one is wild. It lets you remake those high-performing pins with a single click, so you can instantly model what's already getting results and get way more eyeballs on your own posts. And the third tool is SEOwriting.ai. This is where things get crazy. It can generate hundreds of blog posts at once with just one click. Seriously, check out this article I created. It came out with images, tables, even videos built in, and it took me literally one click. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is hop over to ClickBank and head into the marketplace. You'll see a huge list of products you can promote. For this walkthrough, I'm choosing an offer called Midolin, which is in the weight loss niche. Just open the affiliate page, drop in your affiliate ID, hit the access button, and boom, your unique affiliate link is ready. Go ahead and copy it, open it in a separate tab, and check out the sales page. It's a video sales letter, and those usually convert like crazy. Now, this is where it starts to get fun. Go to trends.pinterest.com. We're going to look at what's trending in the US, so we only make pins people are already searching for. That gives you the best shot at getting traffic quickly. You'll see a bunch of rising keywords. Head over to the filters, click on interest, and make sure health is selected. Then go to the keyword search box and type in keto. This will bring up every keto related search term. Keto is insanely popular because tons of people use it for weight loss and overall wellness. I'm going to pick the keyword keto lunch. When you click it, you'll see all the useful info around that term. Things like related searches, age groups, gender data, and other keywords people are looking up. From there, I'm choosing keto lunch ideas. I ran that search, and as you can see, there are a ton of pins pulling crazy engagement. Look at this one, over 6,000 likes. And the wild thing is it was posted not long ago. Just imagine how much traffic it's getting from that kind of activity. Now I'm using a Chrome extension called SortPin. It basically reveals extra details on any Pinterest pin. Total saves, likes, comments, the exact upload date, all the stuff Pinterest doesn't show up front. That makes it super easy to spot which pins are blowing up and what's making them go viral. You can grab it using the second link in the description. Just hit add. It's completely free, and make sure you pin it to your browser bar. Once it's enabled, it automatically shows detailed data on every pin you scroll past. So I'm going to click into this pin. It's titled Healthy Keto Crunch Wraps. Here's the simple part. I'm going to copy the headline and the description. Then I'll jump over to ChatGPT, paste that text, and say something like, "This is a Pinterest pin title and description. Create something new that has the same vibe." And just like that, it'll start generating a fresh version for you. You can see it has already whipped up a bunch of new versions of that description. Quick break before we continue. If you're new to affiliate marketing and want a simple step-by-step guide to get started, I've got something for you. You can grab my free affiliate marketing guide for beginners. It walks you through everything from choosing the right niche to setting up your first campaign and earning your first commissions. It's completely free, no strings attached. Just check out the link below or on the screen, download your copy, and start learning how to build a business that can make you $100 a day or more. All right, let's jump back into it. I'm going to grab one I like and jump over to lmarena.ai. Choose direct chat, select generate image, and make sure the newest version of Nano Banana is selected. I'll paste the description in, head back to Pinterest, download the original image, and then upload it into Nano Banana by clicking add files. After that, I just tell it to remake the pin but make it look even better. And boom, it generates a super clean upgraded design. If you don't like this one or want to change anything about it, just reload the page and do it all over again. This way you can generate as many images as you want for completely free. I'll go ahead and download it. Next, head back to Pinterest, click create pin, and upload your new design. This is where I'm dropping the title and description. Just copy the title, paste it in, then do the same with the description. Now you need your article link, the one with your affiliate link inside. Don't worry, I'll show you how to make a bunch of high quality posts in minutes. Click the second link in the description and it'll send you to a tool called SEOwriting.ai. You'll see 2 options, one-click blog posts or bulk article creation. We want bulk generation. This is the keyword section. You type in a keyword and it automatically builds a title and a full blog around it. Since our pin is about a keto crunchy chicken wrap, I'm going to ask ChatGPT for related keywords. As you can see, it gives a ton of options. I'm just going to copy a few and paste them into the tool. Then hit generate title. It transforms your keywords into SEO optimized titles. After that, click Generate NLP, which creates extra keyword phrases that get woven into your article. Finally, hit Generate Outline, and it builds a full roadmap for your blog based on everything you entered. Once you've generated your outline, scroll down a bit. Keep the language set to English, US. For the article type, leave it on none, and don't touch any of the default settings. Just double check that the region is set to the United States. Now, move down to the Media Hub section. Under AI images, switch it to yes. For the number of images, I'm choosing 4, and for the style, I'm selecting photo. If you want YouTube videos added automatically, flip that option to yes as well. Next, head to the structure section. Don't change anything here, then go to Connect to Web, turn it on, and again keep the default settings. Scroll down a little more and you'll see the website section. If you don't have WordPress, don't stress, I'll show you a totally free workaround. Once everything's set, scroll all the way back up and hit run. The tool will start building your articles, and it usually wraps up in 2 or 3 minutes. And just like that, everything's ready. Let's open one and check it out. The image looks awesome. The title is spot on. And as you scroll, you'll see key takeaways, a table, images, the whole package. It honestly blew my mind the first time I saw how complete these posts were. So here's the big question. How do you actually make money with this? Let me show you. First, head over to medium.com and set up your account. Once you're in, this is what your dashboard will look like. Click New Story. Now add your title. I'm just taking mine from the article we generated and pasting it in. Next, copy the full blog content and paste it straight into Medium's editor. Everything comes over clean, including the images. Here's the next move. Craft a strong call to action. For inspiration, jump back to ClickBank and grab your product. Enter your affiliate ID, hit access, and copy the affiliate link. Take a look at the headline. Something punchy like Purple Peel Exploit Vaporizes Fat Cells. Headlines like that spark curiosity, which is exactly what you want. Head back to Medium and drop that headline into your story. Next, grab your affiliate link again. Highlight the text you want people to click, hit the link icon, and paste your affiliate link there. Sprinkle this a few times throughout your post so it really grabs attention. Once that's done, hit publish. And just like that, your Medium story is live. Check it out, and you'll see it looks professional and ready to start driving traffic. Now, grab your blog URL. Go back to Pinterest and paste it into your pin. Choose the board you've already created. If you don't have one yet, make it. Having boards helps your pins get more visibility. Here's the key. Start posting pins consistently. Use eye-catching images, curiosity-driven headlines, and make sure every pin links back to your blog. Over time, those pins will start generating clicks, sending free traffic to your post. Every time someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Completely on autopilot. And that's it. You've just created a money-making system. Your own content, your affiliate links, and a traffic source all working together. If you want to see exactly how everyday people are building real online income with simple affiliate marketing strategies, no tech skills required, grab your free copy of my affiliate marketing guide. This is the exact roadmap you can follow to start earning commissions online. Let me be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Uploading one post isn't going to make you millions overnight. That's not how it works. The key is repetition and consistency. This method is all about quantity, reaching your audience from multiple angles by making posts on different topics that each promote different ClickBank products. One post might make 1 sale, another 2, another 3, and so on. It all adds up fast. Eventually, you'll hit your first sale, your first 10 sales, your first 100 days, and even 300 days. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.